crazy. It's been a year. Oh, I can't do this. I got a nose ring now.
Well, that's it. I don't really know what else to say after all of this.
Y'all, I'm never gonna shoot in this corner no more. This light switch bothers me.
Does it bother y'all too?
Alright, anyway,
I can't go back there.
All right, y'all, before we start, let's get into the hair real quick. Let's get into the hair. Get into the hair. Get into the hair. Into the hair. Get into the hair. All right, we got into the hair. Oh my gosh. I'm back in the same chair. Ooh. I'm back in the same chair. Light switch. Oh my gosh. I'm back here for y'all. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl. And I am the activity author, but today we're gonna talk about this video, this Why I Quit video, because y'all kept on talking to me about it and asking me questions and wanting to know, what am I doing? Am I still teaching? Did I go back to the classroom? What am I doing for money? I'm gonna tell y'all all of that in this video. And it's gonna be a nice little short video giving y'all an update, and then I'm gonna also react to this video as well, and you'll see in a second. It's gonna be a short little reaction, just giving y'all my thoughts looking back a year later, and if I still feel the same about anything I said in that video. Yeah, you're gonna get all of that right now. Without further ado, let's just get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the video, and then I'm gonna come back and tell y'all my thoughts. Yeah, I'll be back. Y'all asked me these questions about this video, the Why I Quit video, so that is what we here for. Okay, if you haven't seen that video, I got a link below. Also, you can click the card. It probably went away, but click the card up top. Y'all wanted to know, and rather than talk to y'all in the comments and continuously repeat myself, I figured I'll just go ahead and just give a video in case anybody else was out there wondering the same things. This is the 1 year anniversary of me quitting my teaching job. Yay. No, I'm still applauding because that was a good decision. I don't regret that decision at all. I still got the same lipstick. Still got the same lipstick. Okay. All right, so before I answer y'all's question, people who do not know me and just stumbled upon this video, I am Cheryl. Hi. I used to teach for like a little over 10 years. I don't even know, y'all. I lost count, but I know it was over 10 years for sure. I am giving you a 1 year update. I'm a mom and a wife. I still live in the same area, same location. Yeah, everything's the same. All right, what am I doing for money and work? What am I doing for work now, you guys wanted to know? Sure. Okay, right now I am currently still a children's book author. Whoop whoop. I am doing events still. I still have my website. I still go do author visits. I'm gonna start cranking that out again real soon. I've been doing author visits. I've been doing vendor events. I've been doing a number of things. Yeah, going into bookstores. I can't think off the top of my head, but I'm still an author. I'm still doing my thing and making a way out of no way. And if you don't know, I am self-published. I have a video right here that tells you about self-publishing your book and how you can self-publish your book. But I'm a self-published author, and I have been building my author business ever since. I started before I quit, which gave me the courage to just keep going. I think it's been a month now, but yes, someone wanted to know, am I still teaching? Not in the public school, not full time. I am teaching one class though. I'm teaching one class per day at a wonderful school here in Charlotte. I am not going back to public school. No, I stand by everything I said in that video. Some of y'all might want to know, am I happier now since that video?
Yes.
Only because I know if I was going to go back to that situation, I would not be happy right now. And yes, I made the right decision, but I am still teaching, but not full-time and not in the public school. No. My thoughts on that video.
I stand by it. What is there to say?
I made the video to say goodbye to my students.
I meant every single word I said on that video.
Still feel the same way now. Looking at that video right now, I looked at it not too long ago, but every time I look at it, I would not change anything. Maybe the glistening and the sweating. How that video came to be and what gave me the courage to make that video. Well, I was exercising, which I don't know if y'all can tell. I lost your girl lost 50 pounds. How? I'll give you another video. That's another video for another time. Just comment below if you want to hear how I lost the weight. Long story short, how I made that video was I was walking, because that's what I tend to do to relieve stress. I had to do stuff back then, y'all. I had to just... This was the summertime and I was still contemplating going back, and every time I thought about it, I was like, no. And then I was like, oh, I can do one more year. And then I was like, no. So I just took a walk. I had my kids, we were in the stroller, the jogging stroller, thinking about it. And I just kept thinking about it. And then all of a sudden I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this video. Now whenever, just make this video. I had to go off of that. So I went, got a shower, got just literally, I did not get beat like this. This is a better beat. But I just slapped on some makeup. Literally, that's what the video looked like. I did. I slapped on the makeup because I wanted to just record. I didn't care what I looked like. I was just like, I gotta get this out. You know how you feel the passion? Like, that's what it was. I was feeling some passion and I was like, oh, I gotta get this out. So I did just jot down like the reasons why, and then I just rambled, as some of y'all would say, rambled. One thing I would change about that video is maybe calm down, because you know, you just worked out, your adrenaline's pumping. Of course I'm gonna sweat. I had the hot ring lights, like I'm gonna sweat. That's all I think I need to say about that video. If you haven't seen the video, go watch the video. That was my main motivation. My main motivation was to make the video to say goodbye to my students. And then I saw a couple videos of teachers quitting, because you know, you kind of want to look out there and see, like, am I the only one that feels this way? Because you know, here locally I did feel like I was the only one that felt this way, because I mean, teachers here just wasn't talking about it. I quit my job. So I can tell y'all why. And if you relate to this video, you know, if I can help somebody, you know, of course I love helping people. So I made the video also to help any teacher that felt the same way I felt. Maybe this is what you should do too. I don't know, y'all. I just made the video. As you guys said in the comment section, a lot of y'all said y'all quit too after watching my video, which that was not the reason why I made that video. I did not make that video to get an army of teachers together to quit.
I did the video to just relieve some heaviness on my heart.
But I did also want to see if there's other teachers out there too. So yeah, if you want to keep up with me, y'all already subscribed. I'm gonna just keep on cranking out the videos I've been cranking out, because this is my arts and crafts channel. Yeah, that's what I do here on this channel, is I do arts and crafts. So we're gonna go back to our regular scheduled program, but I did want to just jump on here and tell you guys and give y'all a little update since y'all was asking questions. Yes, I am here. I'm back and I'm better. I got a nose ring. Look, I feel better. I do. I feel better. Thank you to all the comments too. Thank you so much to all the comments on that video. You guys are so uplifting and encouraging. I don't think I've seen one negative comment on that video yet. I mean, the video's still growing. People still finding it. So I mean, we'll see, but I love it. Like, I didn't know people were gonna really watch the video. I really made the video for my students. All right, so if you made it this far in the video, if you finished the video, thanks for watching. You can subscribe and stick around. Y'all tell me what y'all want me to talk about, because I can't talk unless y'all ask me things. So I'm here for you. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, so I think I'll just go ahead and end the video right here. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want me to talk about next. But until then, I'm going back to my regular scheduled content, okay? So book inspired craft video coming next. But yeah, I hope this video helps.
This has been my update video.
Thank you so much for the support, the continued support, guys. I appreciate y'all. If y'all got more questions, drop them down in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer them, of course. All right, guys. Well, I will see you guys in my next craft video. Bye.